How to combine videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Then open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now tap on the photos icon. Now select the two videos you want to combine and tap on next. Again tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on post or drafts. Now the next method is simply go back. Now select your first video and tap on next. Then tap on edit icon. Now scroll to the right and tap on the plus icon. Now select your next video and tap on confirm. Now once you're done, tap on next at the top right corner. Now if you want to save the video, tap on the arrow down menu. Now scroll down and tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.